Hi, this is Rob Greenlee. I wanted to make a really quick video here about something that I felt over the last 24 hours or so about podcasts that maybe have some technical errors in them and how critical people can be about that. I think we've come into an era of expectation of professional level productions in every instance. And if it's not professional production and it's not perfect, then you shouldn't even put it out. And the example that I'm looking at right now is a live show that was done with a guest, and the conversation was really the most important thing. But I got messages and communications about the show focused on the imperfection of the audio. And I think we're kind of getting caught up and focused on, I think, the incorrect things. I think there's value in conversations. And it's one thing if you don't value the conversation, but it's another thing to completely overlook the value of the conversation and just focus on any kind of technical glitch as being hypercritical of the content creator. And now, I'm not saying it's not valid criticism to point out to a podcaster that maybe the quality wasn't up to maybe anybody's standards, right? And that happens. And certainly any technical glitch that happens in any of my shows, I don't like it any more than you do. And I would prefer to have avoided it, but sometimes you can't, especially with a live stream that person comes on, does the show, and it's what it is. And I can do some post-production to improve it, but in some ways I can't entirely remove what happened. I think we're focused on, maybe some people are, not everyone, is focused on the wrong things. I think we're focused on, making the most perfect production versus making a conversation that is worthy of someone listening and being willing to overlook some of the glitches that can come up in human conversations, because human conversations aren't perfect. So I appreciate you watching. It's just a little commentary based on my 20 plus years of doing shows. There's always been glitches. There's always been problems with production. And it's always a tough question to ask, whether or not you're not going to put a piece of content out because it doesn't fit up with your production quality standards. Now, granted, you're welcome to run your show like that, but you may be leaving behind valuable conversations for what I perceive to be somewhat insignificant reasons. So, thank you for watching. Bye.